This is the boy. I'm a really good kid. Love to kick his feet. And he crawls and everything. He loves playing with toys. Where's he bear? Let's see. Okay, let's see here. Here, take your bear. Take your bear. Oh, he loves his bear. Love him bear. He'd chew him bear all day, if he could. Okay, alright. 1, 2, 3. Okay. He likes to sit up, boy. Boy. Oh.
I got new shoes that Mom got him.